Ever dreamt of turning your daily scrolling through social media into a lucrative stream of income? No? Not yet? Well, today's your lucky day. I'm about to spill the beans on a tried and tested method I myself have used to make thousands of dollars from this exact method that could rack you in $300+ a day from anywhere in the world, no matter where you're based, without ever leaving your pajamas. That sounds good, right? Yes, for me, it sounds fantastic. Okay, get ready to unlock the door to online success as we explore the exciting world of making money using Google News. Don't miss out on this golden opportunity. Make sure you guys watch to the end, because I will show you step by step how you too can monetize your online presence and add another stream of income if that's what you're looking for. But before we get started, you know the drill. Hi, I'm Vel. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You know what I'm saying. Give this video a big thumbs up for me to let YouTube know that you like what it is that I'm doing here. And it really helps the channel, and it also helps me because it encourages me, like, okay, folks like what I'm doing. Let me keep going because it's really easy to quit, trust me. Let's dive in. I'm super excited to share with you guys step-by-step guide on how to earn $300 a day while using Google News. That's right, you can make money online with just a few simple steps. So y'all, grab your notepads and let's dive right in. Head over to google.com. Most of you guys are very familiar with it. Type Google News in the search tab and hit enter. This will take you to the Google News platform, and it looks like this. So when you get to Google News, you'll see that there's different menu bars at the top where it says home, for you, following, news, showcase, US, world, local, business, technology, entertainment, sports, and science, and health. So there's plenty of categories, and all those categories have subcategories. So the main question that we all have is, what exactly is Google News? Well, let me tell you. Google News is a news aggregator app developed by Google. It presents a continuous flow of articles organized from thousands of publishers and magazines. It's a hub for your local location as well as international news. And the best part, besides being completely free to use from anywhere in the world, you can use Google News to create a sustainable, steady stream of income. So how do we use Google News to create a stream of income? This is how we do it. If you notice, you'll see a menu bar at the top. Yours should look very similar to mine. You'll see various topics such as business, tech, entertainment, sport, science, and lastly, health. This strategy will work for any of these topics. For someone like myself, we're going to focus on business or technology. Make sure to stick around to the end, because I'm going to show you exactly how to monetize this method. First things first, we're looking at popular trending topics that grabs attention, that catches your eye. Like for me, I like business and technology. These are the two things that we tend to talk about the most on this channel. So once we go to business, you'll see economy, markets, jobs, personal finance, entrepreneurship. You'll see different subcategories under business. I like all of those kind of categories. So let's just take a look to see what catches our attention. What do you think is worth us taking a deeper look at? So I'm going to click on entrepreneurship. So I feel like under entrepreneurship, we usually find pretty cool things. Look at this one right at the top. How a dorm room side hustle led to a $150 million business. That's insane. And that's worth chatting about. If we scroll down some more, you'll see how to make 6 figures as a virtual assistant like she does. So there's a few of these right off bat that I would click and take a deeper look to see what they're about. Love this one. Look, this one in particular, you guys probably have seen spin around in different ways. Like, look at this one. 5 ChatGPT prompts to prepare you for the worst. Bulletproof your business. That's a good one. So let's take a look at how to make 6 figures as this virtual assistant does. So I made $144,000 last year as a virtual assistant working flexible hours. It cured my burnout. This might be a great article for someone like myself to chat about. So let's do an example for lifestyle. Health is always a good one to take a look at. When you click on health, you'll see medication, healthcare, mental health, nutrition, fitness. So if you're someone that's into fitness, you have a fitness blog or a fitness Instagram or a fitness YouTube channel, let's take a look to see what's going on in the fitness world. So right off the top, you see lose weight by walking. Here's the ideal distance to walk each day for real results. Now, if we scroll a little bit, we see these simple activities can treat depression as effectively as therapy, study says. So if we scroll down some more, forget the gym. Build a stronger chest and arms with this 5-move dumbbell workout. That one might be the one I would click to do, because this one definitely took my focus and attention. So boom, forget the gym. It is expensive anyways, right? And it is hard to get there sometimes if you have a lot of obligations such as children and work. So you can build a stronger chest and arms with this 5 dumbbell move. Fantastic. This one I would click on, boom. So we would click on this article, right? Now, before we get into the nitty gritty on how to make the big bucks, let's clear the air with some other methods you've probably seen floating around. Often shared with you all that I do not think is the best way to go. And it goes like this, right? Copy the full article about the dumbbells. Head over to Spin software, a tool that rewrites any piece of writing that makes it new, such as a SpinBot. Paste the article, allow the tool to spin it to avoid plagiarizing the original article. After you're done doing that, you reach out to different publishers who accept new articles and pay per articles between $75 to $100, sometimes upwards of $300 to $500. And boom, there goes your over $9,000+ a month from anywhere in the world. This method used to work, don't get me wrong, and it probably still does for some, but for the majority of us, it will not. So because of that, I do not advise this method of chasing down. What absolutely works, and some of your faves on YouTube, like myself obviously, have done this and have made thousands of dollars, even millions of dollars from this method. The method that absolutely works, especially if you're consistent, is creating original pieces of content. Using trending or evergreen articles that you find from Google News as topics of inspiration, you can put your own spin to it, add your own flavor and spice to make it your own. That's the method that I recommend. You can create different pieces of content from these same articles. Imagine you're someone who has a fitness blog. From that dumbbell article, you can take that article and put your own spin to it, your own inspiration, your own spice to it, your own flavor, and make it your own and post it on your blog. You can then take that same post and turn it into a YouTube script where you can create a long form video, because YouTube loves long form videos. So after you create that long form videos, you can even take that and break it down even more into smaller pieces of short form content that TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn loves. So then you can break that blog post into a long form video into smaller pieces, and you can even take that and turn it into a podcast. The content creation machine is endless when you put your own spin to it. So this is the method that I absolutely recommend, because if consistent, guys, I 100% can guarantee you will make a ton of money. And that's the fact. If, creating podcasts and YouTube videos not your thing, you can get ideas from this and create an ebook. The list is absolutely endless. And I love the fact that anyone from anywhere in the world, as long as you have internet connection, you too can do this method. It really doesn't matter. You don't have to have any fancy degrees or have certifications or anything like that. What you need is consistency and drive. And those two things will take you anywhere, anytime. If you made it this far and you haven't subscribed to the channel, be sure to do that right now, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up for me. So as mentioned, you can create videos, podcasts, blog posts, ebooks, t-shirts, you name it, you can get inspiration from Google News to create. And that's why I mentioned earlier that this could be a sustainable way for you to have evergreen content to continue to have income stream, because Google usually has all the popular stuff on there. So you will never not be in the loop if you use this method. So now you're probably like, Belle, okay, great. This was fantastic. How do I make the money? Okay, the best part about making the money. We talked briefly about where you can create the content and how you can create the content. But these are some platforms you can start making income as soon as the next day. One in particular that's my favorite is Medium. Medium is one of the easiest platforms to monetize. I love YouTube, but don't get me wrong, with YouTube, there's various ways to monetize, and one of the biggest ways a lot of folks want to get monetized on YouTube is through AdSense. So you need 1,000 subscribers and 240,000 watch hours. With YouTube, there's higher qualifications benchmark versus Medium. So with Medium, you can take that same fitness article and put your own spin to it and make it your own. Take that article, sign up for medium.com, and create some compelling content that's going to get people to read, going to get people to join on, like going to get people like, I really like this girl. We gotta stay here. So create some compelling content on Medium and put it on there. Then with Medium, you only need one article to be able to join their Medium partner program. So once you do that, you're good to go. My first month on Medium, I made $17. There's others who are earning a full-time income just from Medium and just in a few months. So I know with YouTube, sometimes the grind can be hard to build up, but with Medium is extremely simple. And the best part, you don't have to be a brilliant writer if you're not. You know what I'm saying? So you can also use AI to assist you with getting ideas to make the article even better for the reader. So Medium is one place that I would absolutely recommend that you put your stuff out there, because you can start earning income as soon as the next day. As mentioned earlier, with your blog post, you then create a long form video. You then spread all those videos out to TikTok, IG, Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts, all of the above. You literally become a content creating machine. And the best part is, as we wait to get monetized through the different platforms, because I know all of them have different requirements, what you can do immediately now is create a digital product. Create a simple digital product, a one-pager, something that's resourceful for your reader, something that solves a problem for them, right? So you create a digital product that solves an issue and you put it to the price that you want. So if you want to do $300 a day, you set it to a price that will allow you to make your goal. So you can sell it for $7, $17, $27, $47, really doesn't matter. But you price it for what you think is worth and what you think your readers will be able to pay. So yes, that is how you will monetize correctly and have a sustainable future using Google News to create content versus looking to put your article on someone else's website for 75 to 100 bucks, looking to hear back if they hit you back up or not. So this is absolutely the best method that I myself and some of your favorites have used to make thousands of dollars, even millions of dollars online. This method is tried and tested and it's the best method. So Google News is a gold mine. Use it wisely, y'all. Using Google News to create evergreen and trending content consistently, y'all, because that's where it's at. You can't do it one time and thinking you're gonna take off. No, you have to be consistent, building your community, building your base, providing content to your readers or your subscribers, providing resourceful content or entertainment. Either way, you have to be consistent in order for your people to find you. So this method will absolutely make you over the $9,000 a month from anywhere in the world. No cap. Not even kidding. I'm telling y'all, anyone from anywhere in the world can use Google News for trending content, create either short form videos, long form videos, blog posts, articles, podcasts, ebooks, t-shirts, mugs, you name it, you can do it. And then to monetize immediately, because like I said earlier, every single platform has different criteria to be monetized. But one thing you can do today to start monetizing your content outside of creating a digital product for sale is to set up an email list. Setting up an email list where folks join your newsletter, where you can keep regular contact with them, building an even better relationship off these sites is even better. So y'all, this method will absolutely change your life if done consistently. So I've done it, so many others have done it, and trust me, they too have changed their lives in so many different ways because of utilizing Google News, creating consistent content that resonate with their readers and their subscribers, and building relationships. That's what it's really about at the end of the day, being consistent and building relationships. So that is all that I have for you guys in this video. I really hope that you found this to be resourceful and you got something from it. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them down below for me so I can answer them. And if you made it this far and you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, truly make sure you do. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up for me, y'all. It's appreciated as usual. I love you all. I hope you stay safe, and I will see you very soon in the next video.